How to identify your three-way switch wires. Go ahead and pull out your wires. Typically, when you pull it out, whatever is wound up, the pair is going to be your power. But I still check out and identify exactly which one it is. So my pair is going to be my travelers. It's going to be my line and ground. I'll show you how I wire it up. Cut the length. So the two travelers go to the gold. Doesn't matter what color. The red could go over here or the black, vice versa. And your line goes to the common, which is the black. And that's your three-way switch.